Jimmy, I got a surprise for you.
I got my
Oh.
I'm excited. Oh.
What's this?
Hoover.
Ooh, you've got another Hoover.
This is handheld Hoover, isn't it? Let me just open it for you.
Wow. Big. Wow.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness, what's this? Which one is this one?
Black.
Hmm?
This is
Oh wow.
Tenneco. Oh my God, they got.
Oh. Tools.
Too many tools. Let's open the main motor.
Don't open it yet. Don't open it yet.
Wait. Let's open the main motor first.
Water.
Yeah.
Motor, no water.
Let's bring
Motor.
this all out.
Oh, wow. Tools.
Look. Oh, look.
It's biscuit.
Wow, this is blue.
Wow.
Ooh.
So cold. Oh.
This is so nice, GB. Can I have this, please?
No.
Please.
How handle.
Handle.
Ooh. Wow. Wow.
Oh. Jimmy's trying to fix it all.
Mm-hmm.
Other side.
Oh. Oh. Wow. Oh, get them. You have to. Me. Wow. Sit down. Oh. Left. Oh, wire. Charger.
Yeah, this is charger.
This is. Oh. Careful. Where's the. What is it?
First.
No.
No, it doesn't go that early. Yeah, I think it goes at the back.
Which one?
Let me show you this one. Sick. I think it's probably should be somewhere here.
No, I think it goes in here.
comes out.
It goes in here, and the wire goes in there.
Probably, I think battery comes out. I guess, I'm not too sure.
Oh,
At the moment, battery is full anyway.
this one. Sure.
So what do we have here? What is this?
Oh, what about another one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, walking. Oh, tiny.
So this is the bracket. Hmm.
So battery gets released and then
Wow, what's this?
What's this? The filter's not off. What's this? What's it? What is it?
I have no idea, man.
Red.
Has loads of stuff.
Oh. Yeah.
Let's try this. Looks really futuristic.
No, me. Yeah.
Wow.
Leave it. Slow.
Okay.
Leave it slow. Leave it. Leave it slow. Oh. Happy. Brush.
What's inside?
I think it's tool, one of the tools.
GB, I thought you don't like Hoover.
I like.
You like Hoover?
What? Too big.
Oh my God, this is like.
Look at this middle. Which one? This one. This. This. Oh, it's the charger. Here.
Oh.
Go.
Wow, Jimmy's a clever boy. Show me. Show me from inside. Wow.
Okay.
I think it clips in. Look, I'll show you quickly.
Oh.
So it literally. Oh. So look, it starts charging.
After 6
It's like Henry Quick and Dyson.
So it starts charging like that. So you can literally put it on wall.
No, not heater.
Not here. Okay.
What's
that's
this
fine.
called?
Hoover.
Tenneco.
I drive it and just clean it. This somebody. Yeah. I need to do this. Oh. I did this filter.
So what do we have? How many accessories? 1, 2,
Look, so nice.
3,
Let's do
4, and 5, and 6. The with charger. So it comes with 6.
Oh. It's my routine. No.
I think that goes underneath the bracket.
This?
No.
This?
Here, I think. That probably goes here.
No.
You think?
Okay.
I'm not too sure, GB now.
Oh. Oh, what's oh, stingy. Okay, that one's too. See, oh, stingy. Let's open this. Some to Hoover.
Come on, let's try it.
Start the video. There's no. None have two.
So what do we have to say to Daddy, GB? He got you presents? GB, what do you want to say to Daddy?
See, this one. I need to see the one. I need to see
GB, we need to say thank you to Daddy, darling. Huh?
this one. Thank you. Oh.
No, there's another one.
Wow.
Big one. That's big. Cover.
Show me, let's see. Bring
Big one.
Oh
That
wow.
one. Big one.
Oh my god, this is huge.
This
It
is
goes in front of this, yeah. Now we go.
Oh. What's this?
Do you need help?
No. Where's not going?
You need help, GB.
I need help.
Yeah, come on then. Daddy, can you help him, please?
He knows.
Ah.
He can do it.
Good boy, GB. Come on, let's start cleaning with this. Let's see how does it work.
What's this?
This is actually so good.
Yeah.
This is powerful now.
Ooh, it has torch. Let's see. Oh wow.
And move it. And the heart. Finger.